Hi everyone, welcome back. As promised, I said I was going to start going through candles and candlesticks formations, but before I start, I want to show everybody the first candlestick formation that I ever learned, which in fact was probably one of the most profitable systems and candles that I ever actually used to obviously start building up money before I could become a trader. So what it is, it's called dark cloud cover. Okay, there's so many variations. If you was to Google dark cloud cover, and people say that the low has to be above 50% or it's got to break the 25% mark, I'm going to really simplify it. Okay, so what we're looking for a red candle, okay, to open up higher than a green candle. So in this terms, you can see that the candle has not opened up higher. It is literally opened up exactly where the green candle was closed. So what we're looking for, guys, with dark cloud cover, I always did this on the dailies, and I used to find my dark cloud cover would be caused by the weekend gap. So when the market shut on the Friday to opened up on the Sunday night. So it would be the Monday at 10 o'clock, I could find my dark cloud cover trade. So every Monday, 10 p.m., I would find my dark cloud covers. So tonight at 10 p.m, I'm going to do a live video with you, and we are going to find some dark cloud cover. Okay, because the close of the candle would have closed. That will give us our red candle above a green candle. So with the dark cloud cover, I'm going to show you exactly how I used to trade this in really simple terms. So here we can see our first dark cloud cover. You can see that the candle has opened up higher than the green, closed. So now we have a red candle that is actually higher than a green one. So all I would do, I'd enter 5 pips below that candle's close. So we're just going to go 5 pips below. Right, and we're going to put an entry in. So I'll just stick an entry in for you. Something about there. It's probably a bit lower than that. Okay, about there. And then we just go 5 pips above the high would be the stop loss. So this is more day trading than intraday, but this is a basic price action technique. So right, so there's our trade. So you can see that the market went against us, but we're not actually in this order yet. And there we go. It'll hit our sell stop, and then you can see it's gone all the way down, easily banking a 1-to-1 position. What I used to do on these guys is go at least 1-to-1. So that would have made 73 pips to that point. And then at 1-to-1, I used to drop down to the lower time frame candles, like an 8-hour, and start putting my stop loss above the close of the 8-hour candles. And sometimes you can just trail down. So that was our first example of dark cloud cover. So they're all over the place. Without actually looking for them, I'm not looking for certain percentages to have broke lows and things like that. I'm purely looking for a red candle to be above a green candle. And this shows you that price has been heavily rejected. So it needs to fulfill the position. So obviously if it's opened upwards above a red candle, it has to retrace the gaps in order for it to come down. And obviously this shows major rejection in the market. So you can see here, guys, here's another one. You can see the red candle has opened up higher than the green. So what we've done, we've entered below, stop loss above, and you can see that the market has gone against us, and then it's come crashing down. And you can see that even if we were to go 1-to-1, we've easily hit our 1-to-1. And we've also, if we went the tops of the candles, we could trail it right down and probably get more than our 1-to-1. But you can see the instant drop of price. So dark cloud cover was one of my really favorite. Okay, and I still use it to this day now. So when you get a red candle higher than a green candle, I just look to short the market. So I look for a 5 pip entry there, and then obviously the stop loss would go above the top. So it's a really simple system. So if you have any problems identifying these, I'm going to post another video tonight with obviously I'm going to be looking for dark cloud cover live, but I just want to show you 2 more examples before I go. So you can see one's there. Look at the drop we've had, guys, and also the dark cloud cover there. We've had a much smaller drop, but we have had a drop. And I'm just looking around the screen for some more. In fact, I'm going to show you one more. And these are on all currencies, guys, across the board. Let me look for another one on a different currency for you. I'm just going to randomly pick New Zealand Jappy. No, we go for a completely different one. Euro Swiss franc. We look for Euro Swiss franc. I'm just going to quickly scroll back, just try and find. There's one there, really, really small one. You can see we've had a nice drop on that as well. So yeah, they're all over the place, guys. So keep your eyes out. If you want to send me some pictures of your dark cloud covers in the forums, please do. And I'll make you a live trade video tonight.